Watch this. This is Lamborghini Gallardo, 2004 to 2013 में they've produced this, named after a famous Spanish fighting bull, Gallardo, I believe. This is 5-liter 10-cylinder engine. This is one of the entry level, you can say, where it's a best-selling model of its time. Rear engine, carbon wing, twin exhaust. Look at this. Classic mid-engine supercar. 5-liter naturally aspirated V10, almost 500 horsepower at maybe something around 7,800 RPM. Top speed was, I believe, 309 kilometers per hour. But look at this raw V10. No turbo, no filter, just pure Lamborghini sound. It's got an E-gear pedal shift also, I guess. Power goes to all 4-wheel. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Stay tuned.